We'll show how Media Tree library or Exoplayer library can be used to make a video player in the latest Android Studio. So start the Android Studio. And we'll wait till it opens. So I'm using latest Android Studio Hedgehog, which is in the beta version. We'll open a new project. We are not using Jet Compose for this tutorial, so I'll use mdviews activity and we'll write the codes in Kotlin. I'll write it as exo. Click finish. And now the project trees will open. And in the meantime, we have to go to the Android developer page and go to the reference for Media Tree Exoplayer libraries. We'll copy this and put it into our new project. So I'm uploading this on 1st of May. So till now, this is the latest library. This is very important. So in Android Talk, the implementations are within the first bracket. So remember to give it. In previous Android versions, Android Studio versions, probably you don't need that. So once you see no red error, that means it's okay. So now I have the dependencies. We have to sync the Gradle. It will take a few minutes, so I'll click sync now and wait until the Gradle build is done. Dependencies, the Media Tree library preview will be available. So just write something like player view, and this is the player view and match parent with match parent with match left match parent, and we'll give ID in the so this shows red because we have to actually define at ID. So now this is the ID. This will be available into the XML file, and you can see this here. So now we have to go to the main activity page. So this is the default layout, the main layout, but we have to define two variables, late initiate variable and one for a player view. Make sure that these references are always in the Media Tree libraries, because there are same names in different libraries which might give you errors. So always make sure it's on the Media Tree libraries if it's available. So then we have defined the variable name for the player view, and we will also define the player, and there are different options possible, but we are using Exoplayer, so I'll just write here Exoplayer. So now on the onCreate function, once we have defined the variables, I will initiate the player view by saying player view equals find view by ID. Find view by ID r dot ID, and that will come from our XML, the player view that we have defined the ID before. And now we'll build the player by saying variable player equals Exoplayer dot builder. So see, the builder sometimes gives error into previous versions of Android Studio. So see here it's media 3 Exoplayer in this library, so then you won't have any problem. Builder, and give the context, this context, and build. So now we have built the player. Now we would attach it to the view. So player view dot player equals player. So that's done. Now we have started the view and the player, and now we have to define the media items. So another variable, media item equals media item dot builder. So now we have built the media item, and there are different parameters. You can get details about this on the Android page, like here on the Exoplayer Android development page. You will see UI components, playlist, media items. So if you open the media items page here, you have some references on how to use media items. So this the correct meme type. So if it's MP4 or M3U, it depends. So for now I'm using MP4 in our project. So we'll define the meme type and give the URI. So first we'll write set URI, and for now I'm leaving it blank. We have to give some URI, some web address where we'll find the link of the video, and then set meme type meme types dot application MP4. We're using in this project MP4, so I'll just write MP4 and dot build. So now you can do this is like go to the GitHub page where you can search in Google like test MP4 link GitHub public test videos. So here we can see some links. I will copy the first link or this one, elephant stream. So these are some links available on the public. I'll put this to the URI section. Now we have this media item. We need to create the media source. So to do that, similar, we'll define a media source variable, media source. So for MP4 we'll use progressive media source, So these are some links available on the public. I'll put this to the URI section. Now we have this media item. We need to create the media source. So to do that, similar, we'll define a media source variable, media source. So for MP4 we'll use progressive media source. So if it's an HLS content like M3U, we have to use different methods which you will see on the Android development page for which type of videos what to use. So progressive media source dot factory, and we'll use the default source factory, default data source. Okay, so here default data source, media system. Okay, sorry. Here I done something wrong. Let's do the media source, not media system. So, and default data source dot factory dot and then the context. So context create media source, and we'll call the media item here. So now we have defined the media source, and we have called the media item inside this media source, and now we will set the media source. So in the media item layer dot set media item. Prepare it here, clear dot prepare, and clear dot play. So for now that's it. I will be using my physical device. So for now everything seems okay. Okay, one very important step now. Because we are using some internet website URL, we have to change the manifest and use permission for internet. This is very important. If you look at this, the code might work, but you might not be able to play the video. So use this permission, internet, and network state. Uses permission, network state. So now this is for now everything. I will build Gradle and come back to you when it's time. It will take some few minutes to build it. So now once we have built this, here we'll see this, and this one is how you just run it and see the default the given video URL will play here. Thanks for watching. I hope now you can do it on your own. If you have some questions, put it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.